Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are doing a special soap. My 9-year-old daughter designed this one. We are scenting it in Juicy Pear. So let's go ahead and begin how we always do, mixing in our additives and oils, add in our lye, and make some soap. So this is a very small batch, so it doesn't take more than a few seconds to stick blend this. So we are going to have 2 accent colors. Our first accent color is some tickled pink, mixed in with a little bit of titanium dioxide to kind of mute it down a little bit. And our second color is Blue Shocker. This is also mixed with a little bit of titanium dioxide. So before we stick blend our accent colors, I'm going to start with our base. And this is going to be white. So I pre-disperse my titanium dioxide in this glass jar. And then before I use it, I just give it a nice mix. And then I'll just put a cap on it and save the rest to use next time. So I'm going to clean off my stick blender, and then we will hand mix in the fragrance oil. So I let my kids choose, each of them design their own soap for this release. And I let them choose whatever fragrance, whatever colors, whatever design they wanted. And Aaliyah, my youngest, chose this Juicy Pear fragrance, which is from Nurture Soap. And this is the fragrance I use in my succulent bars. Oh, it is so good. This is one of my favorite scents. So she did good. And I almost forgot something too. In the pink, she wanted glitter. So we have some Fairy Tale Princess Eco Glitter. We're gonna drop some of that in there. I think each of the soaps that they picked out, each represents their personality. And Aaliyah's is fun, and she has, I'll show you when we get there. She picked out some really cute embeds to put on top of the soap. Okay, so these are all looking really good. So let's go ahead and get our mold ready. We're going to use our trusty, I don't know if this is 2 pounds or 3 pound mold from Amazon. So I think we're going to start just by putting in maybe half the white. And then we'll do all the pink. Scrape these out too. And we'll do all the blue, which is getting nice and thick now. Scrape this container out. Now we're going to grab our hanger swirl and do a nice little butterfly swirl in there. And now we'll put the rest of our white on. And I'm going to scrape out my bowl here. We will mix up some soap frosting and come back and do the top. So I'm using an Atico 869 tip. And my piping isn't quite set up all the way. However, it's time to get going. So today is Sunday, September 26th, and this is the first time I've made soap since I made my Christmas soaps was the beginning of July. It has been so crazy busy around our house with my son's football and the girls' dance. It's just been crazy. So I've been meaning to make these batches of soap for a couple weeks now, and I'm just now getting to it. So, for in-beds, we have some melt and pour fruit that Miss Aaliyah chose. She picked out. And we're just gonna kind of put them randomly on the bars. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. So yeah, Sarah and Aaliyah, the two little girls, they are in a dance class. And then Goni does football. And then Kylie, she's the oldest. She's busy learning to drive and hanging out with friends. And it's just, our house has been so busy lately. Everyone always has something going on. And I have had zero time to make soap. So I'm super excited. Today when I woke up, the kids asked, what are we going to do today? Absolutely nothing. I'm so far behind. I need to be in my soap room all day. So I'm making a bunch of soap today, and I have conditioner bars to make. I have decided at this time I am discontinuing my whip soaps. I had some ship out this year, and they arrived melted, which is very disappointing, and I don't really know why they melted. I looked to see if it was just too hot when I shipped them by looking at the time frame when I started shipping them out last year. Last year I was shipping these out in August. This year I waited until mid-September, and so they are not in my shop right now. So I'm hoping to formulate a new recipe over the next couple months, hopefully to have them back available for Christmas. That is what I have been busy working on and worrying about, and those stinking whip soaps. So I have not made soap in a long time. I haven't uploaded a video to my YouTube channel in some time. It's just been so hectically busy. So I'm trying to figure out how to balance everything again. During the summer, it's just so much easier to find that balance because everyone's just kind of home, not doing anything. All right, so each of these bars is getting 3 of these cute little fruit embeds. And they all have 3 different ones on there. And then I think we'll put a little bit of glitter on it and call it a day. Okay, so we have just some eco glitter, the hollow eco glitter from Brambleberry. I'm just going to put on top here. I'm going to spray it with some rubbing alcohol, and we'll be back in the next couple days to cut into this and see what that swirl looks like on the inside. Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to cut into this fruit inspired soap, which I cannot remember the fragrance that we used. We do have our melt and pour embeds I see are sweating, which just now reminds me that I had to unplug my dehumidifier a few days ago and I never plugged it back in. So I'm gonna go do that real quick so I don't forget before we cut this. So I just plugged my dehumidifier back in. I tried to cut one of the other soaps I made the same day I made this one, and it was still super soft, which I was like, I don't understand that because it's been a few days. Yeah, it's because the dehumidifier was turned off. I need to switch you around the other way. Having a dehumidifier actually plugged in really helps. Let's see what we have going on the inside of this soap. This is one that my 9-year-old daughter created. And there is the inside. So it's cute. It doesn't quite match the fruit on top, but it's cute. I love that swirl. We really got a butterfly going there. Oh, this is the Juicy Pear scent. So yeah, I really like these. Those neon colors are so pretty. And the top is cute. So these will be available on November the 7th in my Etsy shop if it's something that you might be interested in. I thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time, guys. Have a wonderful day.